Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare sea moss products. When choosing sea moss, it's important to consider several factors to ensure you get a high-quality product. First, look for wild-crafted sea moss, as it typically contains more nutrients than farmed varieties. Also, always check for third-party testing to confirm the product's purity and absence of contaminants. Finally, decide if you prefer raw sea moss for DIY preparation or a convenient gel form for easy use. These steps help you make an informed decision. Sea Moss Dave is known for its commitment to quality. They prioritize sourcing wild-crafted, organic sea moss, which is a key indicator of a premium product. Their production process includes rigorous quality control measures, ensuring that each batch meets high standards for purity and potency. Furthermore, Sea Moss Dave provides a range of product forms, from ready-to-use gels to convenient capsules, catering to different preferences and lifestyles. This variety makes it easier to incorporate sea moss into your daily routine. Beyond specific brands, sea moss offers numerous health benefits. It's a fantastic source of iodine, crucial for healthy thyroid function, and contains 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs. When comparing different sea moss products, consider their sourcing methods, how they are processed, and the overall value for the price. Some brands might offer unique blends or additional ingredients, so always read labels carefully to find what best suits your health goals and dietary needs. Ultimately, the best sea moss depends on your individual needs and preferences. Prioritize brands that are transparent about their sourcing and provide third-party testing results. Think about your budget and which form of sea moss, whether raw, gel, or capsules, fits best into your daily life. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.